Hello, this is an incredible opportunity with drone command line, especially in the past 3 days when I have taken this drone command line. I was a little bit skeptical what I am going to learn. Is it really been worth? But the time on the first day itself, it was really eye-opening. The way Damon and Diego has walked us through the all the way from marketing concept to the business and the opportunity on the drone is the market openings and where we can chime in based on our skill, based on our capability. This was incredibly helpful. And even one from the novice, even who do not have a drone, haven't yet tried yet. So from them to all the way to the folks who have been already been a drone pilot, have been doing it professionally. For everybody, I would strongly recommend to go through this drone command live. This has been incredible helpful and supportive. The team is extremely knowledgeable and helpful to to ramp up, to help you, to support you. So thank you everything what you guys have been doing for the community, for everybody. Thank you so much.